Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. I want to use this opportunity to review to you how $30 to $500 per trading session and cash indices winning strategy will be possible. Okay, I think if you have lost so much money, you need to join this group. This is a very powerful group. I'm going to show you the secrets of success in this group. You can see that all the trade and profits. This is VIP Boom and Cash Indices Expert Group. This is why it is actually working here. I think this is the best group. We take advantage of path swing. The swing along path. This. We trade this. Once it reach this level, I send a close signal, and then I wait for another spike. We actually basically trade spike, more of spike, so it's more of spike because for you to grow account faster, you need to trade the spike. So you see this. So this will give us one, two, three signals. We get three signals here. So each part is giving us basically an average of 35 pips. So this is the scalping signal. So you are actually going to be opening many positions and using all your margins, and each trading session basically can give you up to $30 to $500 and beyond, depending on your APT. It's not by force to join, but if you are tired of losing, you can join. But if you are already making profit, you can forget about joining. This is for those that have lost money. For the fact that I want to help the community, the joining fee is $200 per month, but the first 5 people that post this video to me and telling me they want to join will receive $150. Like they will pay just $150. I think that's about 25% discount. So that is it. Bye for now.